Hello. To start off, just a quick video. David Bradley here. I'm in a TV room. I had saved a video yesterday, copied it over as I usually do to my PC. And normally when I copy things over, I do like open up the directory and try and see if a thumbnail will appear. And on everything I did, thumbnails appeared except for one. And I was like, well, that's interesting. So I tried clicking on it, and it said, no, I can't play this. So I thought, well, that's interesting. So before I did any deletions, I did try and upload it, and YouTube said, no, I can't process this. So I thought, oh no, 40 minutes wasted. But then I thought to myself, I'm going to go onto the phone, I'm going to edit that video, and I'm going to take the tiniest little tweak off the end of it. So I tried it once and ended up I took off too much. But it did seem to, when it saved it as a new file, it seemed there was hope. So anyway, I went back, did it. I didn't copy anything off. I just said, I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to make sure that I cut off like as little as I can, but so much that, it'll save a new copy of the file. And indeed, that did fix the situation. So, well, the original file was somehow corrupted by tweaking, trimming just a little bit, and telling it to do it again as a new file. It all worked out. So when you're doing things, just before you delete the original file, take steps to make sure that it actually is okay. And it will upload and it will play. And if it doesn't, then, this might work, or splitting it might work, or I don't know why that, I'm baffled as to why. It's very rare that these things ever happen. But it happened. It did. So, but I overcame. And other times I have not. Other times I'm like, oh, I've lost a file. How did I do that? Anyway, so be aware, beware, and we'll see you again. Have a lovely, lovely day. I'm going to record some more things now. Bye for now.